every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm going to try Laura's Caesar salad. I'm not really sure what happened because it took me forever to prepare all the ingredients, which is simply unbelievable looking and seeing just how few of them there are. So I don't know, was I daydreaming or something? Anyways, I feel like this salad is potentially salad to go with pretty much anything, as it looks like it's gonna be a simple, and should be a quick one to make. So if you're curious to see how it goes, how it looks and tastes in the very end, then keep on watching. We're gonna need, for the dressing, half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 40 grams of freshly grated parmesan, 2 cloves of garlic, grated, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and salt and pepper. For the salad, we're gonna need 300 grams of romaine lettuce, chopped, 4 slices of bread, cubed into bite-sized pieces, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I started by turning on my oven to preheat to 200 degrees, and while it's doing that, I'm gonna prep the bread. I have a small baking sheet here, which I feel like is the perfect size for this amount of bread, so I'm really happy about that. So to it, I'm gonna add the bread, drizzle it with olive oil, and then using Cook's Best tools, i.e. my hands, I'm gonna coat the bread with the oil, then arrange it at one single layer, hope that the oven is preheated by that time, and put it into the oven for 10 minutes to crisp up. While my croutons are being born, I'm gonna make the sauce. So to a mixing bowl, I'm gonna add a Worcestershire sauce, garlic, mustard. What was that? Oh, anchovies. I'm like, what's that? Anchovies, the paste I made by smashing anchovy fillets with a fork, and the lemon juice. Okay, I think that's fine. So now, while whisking, I'm gonna drizzle in and whisk in the extra virgin olive oil. And now when I look at it, I chose not the best bowl for that, but that's fine, that's fine. Oh, this looks so smooth. Okay, so the last thing I wanna whisk in is the parmesan, and also I'm gonna season it with some salt and pepper. You should ideally taste test and gauge how much salt you need, as I like to try the end dish together with you. I'll just eyeball it, having in mind that this is salty, anchovies are salty, so I don't really need too much of salt. Okay, I chose not the best of the bowls to mix. This is how the sauce looks like. Okay, my croutons have like a couple of minutes to go, so I'm gonna add my salad to a huge bowl so it's easy to mix. I'm gonna wait for the croutons and add them here as well and drizzle everything with the sauce. Then I'll try to mix everything together, and that's it. I feel so greedy because I'm not even plating this up. Don't judge. I'm at home. I'm so surprised just how nicely I could coat everything, because That was quite a thick sauce once I added the... Oh my god, this smells so good. Once I added what? What did I want to say? Parmesan. It's hard to concentrate, I won't lie. Let's take a modest bite and test it out, shall we? Oh my god. You would not believe how did I go just how flavorful the sauce is. Wow. Even though when you look at this salad, you pretty much see just the leaves and the bread, but the sauce, it's gold. Wow. You know what? I think this really might be the best Caesar salad dressing that I've ever tried. I love the salad. I have my favorite places to go to eat the salad. But boy, oh boy, is this some next level. Look at me assembling modest bites here. This is such a next level sauce. My goodness. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. I don't know what's happening today. I don't know why it took me so long to prepare the ingredients. Cooking, by the way, you're just waiting for the bread to be done. Wow. This is amazing. If you like Caesar salad, you have to try this one because the sauce. So this is how mine looks like. This is how Laura's looks like. Let me know how I did. If you want to watch Laura make it, the link is there. I'm mesmerized by by the knowledge of how good the sauce is. And once the warm bread hits, the salad with the dressing, or maybe vice versa, once you put the dressing over the hot bread, it awakens like the smells even more. And this is surprisingly amazing. I mean, I wasn't planning to rave about it so long. I just thought, oh, it will be, like a nice, simple, quick salad to make with something. But this, honestly, could be a meal in its own. I totally get what Laura said, like if you just grill some simple chicken and toss it on top of this, you will not want anything more. Like, this is perfect. I'm so excited. I know I always are, but can you see what the salad is doing to me? This is amazing. You have to go and look in the description box below for the written recipe. It's both an American and the metric system. So American Imperial, my brain is totally not working now. This is a good sign for the salad. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more salad recipes, you can see a playlist somewhere now, and I will see you very soon. Bye!